Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Grammarly on your phone. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Now, search for Grammarly and select it from the menu. Then, tap Install to download the app. Once downloaded, open the Grammarly app. Next, read all instructions and tap the Get Started button. Make sure to agree to the terms and conditions. After that, allow it to show your suggestions, so tap Open Settings. Scroll down to reach Grammarly and select it. Toggle on the Allow Display over Other Apps button. Furthermore, allow it to check tags, so tap Open Settings. Agree to the privacy policy by selecting the Agree option. In Settings, scroll down at the bottom and tap Grammarly. Now, toggle the Writing Assistant button to allow it. To proceed, hit the Sign Up or Sign In option. You can choose any account to sign in. If you select Google, then choose your account to continue in Grammarly. Once you are signed in, try it out by writing something in the given box. Grammarly appears whenever your keyboard does. If there is any mistake, correct it by selecting the right word. Lastly, tap down to go to your account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.